Momo, why? Do you know what is this? It's a sea turtle. Correct. Sea turtle can live up to 80 years or even 100 years. If you observe sea turtle, you will find out that sea turtle can cry. Sea turtle can cry. Yes. Why does sea turtle cry sadly? Momo, why? Is it 1? Because giving birth is painful. That's why it cries. Or 2. There's sand in its eyes. Could it be 3? Watching movie makes it move and cry. These answers are incorrect. Momo, why? Sea turtle cries to remove excess salt in its body. Have you ever played on the beach? Seawater is very salty, correct? That's because seawater contains a lot of salt. That's why it's salty. Sea turtle lives in the sea. Removing excess salt will make it healthy. Crying is how sea turtle removes salt. Why are there so many interesting things in this world? Momo, why? Do you know what is this? It's a woodpecker. Correct. You know, woodpecker likes to peck trees. Woodpecker likes to peck trees. But have you ever thought, why does woodpecker likes to peck trees? Momo, why? Is it 1? Because woodpecker likes to play around. It leaves footprints everywhere. Woodpecker was here. Or 2. Woodpecker is an architect. It builds houses. Could it be 3? Woodpecker is a musician. It plays music. All of these seem wrong. Momo, why? Woodpecker pecks trees to eat insects. By tapping on the tree, woodpecker can find where the insects live. After that, it uses its hard beak to make a hole in the tree and catch the insects. By doing this, woodpecker can eat delicious insects, and the tree is also healthier. Do you understand? Momo, why? Do you know what is this? It's an octopus. Correct. Octopus is awesome. It can spray ink. But did you know that octopus head looks very big? Octopus head is very big. Why is it like that? Momo, why? Is it 1? Because octopus is smart. That's why its head is very big. Or 2. Because octopus likes to wear big hat. Could it be 3? It wants to be a balloon. It can fly by taking a breath. These answers are incorrect. Momo, why? Why does octopus have a big head? Because that's not the octopus head. You thought it's the octopus head. Actually, it's the octopus body. Inside the octopus body, there are vital organs like heart and stomach. And this part of its eyes is the octopus head. So the octopus body is on the top, its head on the bottom. Isn't it interesting? Why are there so many interesting things in this world? Momo, why? Do you know what is this? It's a snake. Yes, it's a snake. A long snake. Snake twists around when it crawls. But did you know? Snake has no feet. How come it still can crawl? Snake can crawl without feet. Why is it like that? Momo, why? Is it one? Snake is an electric device. It uses battery to climb. Or two. Snake actually has many tiny feet. The feet will come out when it climbs. Could it be three? There are wheels on the snake's belly. Snake uses these wheels to move. These all are incorrect. Let me tell you why. Momo, why? Snake uses its scales and special movements to crawl. When the snake crawls, its skin shrinks first, and ribs inside its body slide forward. At the same time, the scales on its body are set on the ground, like feet. Then, its body moves forward. That's how the snake crawls forward. It's so amazing! Translation: Studio 886